Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-made Designs, and we are at day 6 of 365 days of sewing makes that I am going to show you, I hope. Yeah. Stay with me and see how we make out. Today I want to show you this cute little top. It is Vogue 9188, and it is called a Vogue Designer Original, and the designer is Kayla Kennington. And it's kind of an interesting top. It's cut on the bias. There's just 2 pieces, and you lay it out kind of flat and cut the front and the back separate on the bias. And then there's some sleeve variations. And it's got a handkerchief hem, kind of a dangly bit, and a pocket. I left both the dangly bit and the pocket off. It's an interesting pattern because you can see they have the pick-a-knit here on the side, and they suggest that you can make it out of either wovens or knits. And I chose to make it out of a woven. So this is my version. Goes with my red shoes. Everybody needs a pair of red shoes. They're very cheerful. So it just has a kind of a cute hem. Has darts in the back. Went together very quickly. It has binding that you also cut on the bias. So I would suggest this is a very good beginner-friendly top to make if you're just getting into sewing. So I would say Vogue 9188 is a winner. And I just want to tell you the story of this garment because every garment has a story. And the story of this is I made it and wore it to the last fun thing I did before the world shut down. And that was going with my dear friend to Calgary to see a show that was produced, choreographed, and starred in by her beautiful, talented daughter, Meghann Michalsky. The show was called Project in Tandem, and it was awesome. It was really awesome. If you ever get a chance to see Meghann Michalsky perform somewhere, do it. She is awesome. So I call this my Meghann top because that's what I made it for, and that's where I wore it. So thank you very much for tuning in. I thought just before we part ways today, I just wanted to just add a little grateful thread at the end here and talk a little bit about something I am grateful for, because the world has a lot of things going on that aren't so nice, that we have to work at remembering what we are grateful for. And today, what I am grateful for is you. This is just day 6, and I've been overwhelmed with the support and love and cheering on that I've gotten from all of you. So thank you so much. And maybe in the comments below, you would like to just list what your grateful thread is for today and write what you are grateful for. That would be fun. I would love to see that. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you are sewing. Sewing is so much fun. Bye for now. See you again.